All right, 7th grade, I apologize. I did not like the program you used that taught you Scratch or showed you how to do it, so we are going to go back into Google Classroom and do something a little different. When you are here in Chrome, if you saved or downloaded your file last time you worked on it, you need to come up here in the top right-hand corner and go to Downloads. At this point, you should see it here with January 15th. And what you are going to do is you are just going to drag it over here on the desktop. Okay, so I made it smaller by clicking on right there and then dragged it over. Okay, so this is your project from last time that you worked on. If it is not here, you did not download it and save it, which is not an issue. You are just going to have to recreate. So what you want to go over, we're going to work today in Scratch Desktop. So please double click on this icon or go down here to Programs, and it should be in the S's. If it is not, please let me know. So to load your file, what you worked on last time, go up to File and download from your computer. You might need to click on Desktop. If not, it should be right here. And we're going to click on Open. So I have pulled up Colby's, and you'll notice that all his letters are right here. Now, your assignment is to use the letters of your name, and you are going to show me that you understand this tutorial. Okay? To get those tutorials, just click here on Tutorials, and then animate a name. This is very similar to what you've already done. So there are tutorials here showing you how to pick a letter if you are unsure how to do that. How to play a sound, changing color, making it spin, making it grow. And once you're done, you can click on Add a Backdrop, Glide Around. But that's what I want you to show me you can do. How to make it grow, how to make it spin, change the color, play a sound. So that's a tutorial I want you to do with each of your letters. If you have any questions, please let me know. We are going to be videoing this. So once we click here on play, it should have all of those things. Each letter should be a different action. Again, if you have any questions on the desktop Scratch or how to access your file, please let me know. When you are working on it, we are going to be saving this to our computer. So go to I would say after you have all your letters up, before you animate them, go up to File, down to Save to your computer. You are going to click on Desktop, and you are going to name it your name. So I'm just going to name it Colby, and then click Save. And to double check that that is there, I'm going to take a look at my desktop, and there it is. I would save every 5 minutes. So again, File, Save, because it is not an automatic save. So again, click on the file and save. And yes, you want to replace it, because that will show the updates. I will be reminding you to save, but please always, as you finish an activity or an animation, save your work. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your progress.